Alright, in this
Please
video we'll
welcome
talk
from
about the top
Afghanistan,
5 or at least
Ali
5 favorites
Bilal.
in men's physique. Starting with Ali Bilal from Afghanistan. Just he is about 30 years old. He belongs to Afghanistan, but now living in Indonesia, I'm told. Well, he has IFBB Pro status and has been competing for a very long time. In 2024, he was placed third in Mr. Olympia. In 2025, Arnold Classic Physique Champion he is, and he belongs to a very, very beautiful story, the rags to riches story that he is. His smile is unforgettable एंड सबको ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. इसके बाद अगले आते हैं जेरमी बुंडिया, जो 4 टाइम ओलंपिया विनर है, मिस्टर ओलंपिया विनर है 4 टाइम मेंस फिजिक कैटेगरी के. ही वाज बोर्न ऑन अक्टूबर 26, 1990. तो उस हिसाब से ही इज़ अबाउट 29 ईयर्स ओल्ड. ऑलराइट, मेंस फिजिक के राजा हैं ये. ही अर्नड हिज IFBB प्रो कार्ड इन May 2013. तब ये जूनियर खेलते थे और उसके बाद तो उन्होंने भैया 4 साल जीता, 2014, 15, 16, 17 एंड 1 to 2025 Squash Pro. Alright, so that's Jeremy Buendia. Now he's making a comeback. He's a father and he has a beautiful daughter and an amazing family life. That's Andre Dew. He's from Romania. Also a very, very popular bodybuilder. He is currently living in UK, I think, and he's a bodybuilder, fitness model, etc. He's been competing since the age of 17. 2011 में Miami Pro में at the age of 17 he won that championship, and उसके बाद इन्होंने बहुत championship जीती. I'm sorry, and likes to spend time with his family and friends. कहते हैं कि in his school he suffered from a lot of bullying. Well, कितना true है वो मैंने नहीं पता. But let's look at our next athlete, AJ Allison. AJ Allison was born in US. His nationality is American and he was born in Kentucky. पहले शायद natural भी खेलते थे because ये WBFF pro card भी है इनके पास 2011 का. And he has a very small group of friends and family that support him. So देखिए, एक बात तो बार बार निकल के आती है that everybody is built because of their families. They say if you want to go far, walk alone, but if you want to go deeper, walk with people. All right, so हमने मनोज पाटिल को छोड़ दिया था. Up next is representing India, Manoj Patil. Everybody is darling. He was born in 1922 in Mumbai in a very, very middle class family. जैसा मुंबई में अभाव होता है पैसे का, वैसे इनके यहाँ भी था. But he won his IFBB Pro Card status in 2019. And that was a moment that every single person cherished. Every Indian was very, very happy for Manoj to win this. And today, he is in Las Vegas competing and representing India. हमारे लिए तो already winner हैं, as if he's already won. And we truly appreciate all the perseverance, all the dedication that he and his fellow athletes have. मनोज को मैं बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ. All the best to you, Manoj.